welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumati. Today we are going to discuss American passport appointment, how to take an American passport appointment. Since last class we've been discussing for Germany's visa, job seekers visa and student visa. Other stuffs we have been discussing, but today's topic is how can I apply or renew my passport in India. There were a lot of questions that can American passport be renewed in India. Yes, the US passport renewal in India is only for the US citizens who are residing in India for a motive, and if the passport expires in India, you can renew by visiting this in.embassy.gov.in. Once you enter this, you will be landing up to this website, US Embassy and Consulate in India. So this is a visa page where we are going to click on US citizen services. That is, once you are here, you can click here passport services, click there, it will redirect to next page. Once you are here, you have to read the instructions properly. That is passport citizens and birth registration certification by appointment only due to COVID-19 and persecution. And if you are planning to apply passport renewal in India, you have to apply 2-3 weeks in advance, because the processing time itself only takes 2-3 weeks. And so you can renew your passport for adult passport renewal. I have 10 years and validity passport in possession, and you can also renew your minor passport if you are under 16-year age and apply for first adult passport. And if you lost the passport, if it is it's stolen or damaged passport, you can still apply in India if you are residing in India currently. An emergency passport also can be applied, and change or corrections also happens. So with that note, we'll choose any one of this. I'll just go with the renewal of minor passport. This is going to be a lengthy video, so what am I going to do is, in this video I'll be discussing only the document list and the appointment part, and the second thing is how to fill the DS11 passport application step by step. That I'll take it in another video. In this video, so note, all the document must be original and no photocopies. All foreign document must be accompanied by English translations. If you have anything in your local language, you have to translate it in English. The document part is, if you are proof of citizenship, you have to give US birth certificate and consular report of birth on abroad, and foreign birth certificate or adoption decree if you have adopted a child and you wanted to renew the child's birth passport here. Or if you are divorced, you have to give a divorce custody degree. And document part is, you should be having a parent's passport, valid ID card, original, and one photocopy, and the one passport size photo that should be of white color background, and 2x2 is the size, and no eyeglasses are entertained. And complete the DS11 though we'll be taking care of next class, next session. In this session we'll be discussing only the document part and the appointments part. And you must provide the social security number if you have been issued one, and if you do not have a social security number, please you should check and update here. They will be given here, and complete fees information is also available here. First we'll understand what is how to take an appointment. So in order to get an appointment, I'll just go click it here, it will redirect it to next page. Once we are here, we have to select the country, India, and state, which state you are attending, consulate, embassy city, that Chennai, Hyderabad, and Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi. These are the options are available. I'm going to click it on the desired city. So once you enter those informations, to make an appointment, please click here. To cancel an appointment, please click here. We do not have appointments, so I'm just going to make an appointment here. Okay, So what is the purpose? The passport services other than the adding page, we do not want it extra pages, so then we have to click if you want report the birth abroad or child US citizens and apply for the child's first passport, then here, and request notarization and other services listed above, that you have to click here. But now we are going to click here, and I have read the instructions. You have to give the clarity. Once you've done that, you have to submit it. I'm going to submit. There are dates are like, no, these are the blocked date already paused or not yet open for appointments are this color, and the appointment date fully booked is this one. Appointment dates available is red color. So now that there is no appointment is available in this, so what we do it, once we get an appointment only we can book it. Now there is no appointment now, so we'll finish for the day. If you are having any appointment or booking, you can still go ahead and choose the month like June. Yeah, there are dates are available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select any one of this date. No, actually it's a red, it's supposed to be in a red color, so the dates are not available. June, July also is not available, I guess. See this Saturdays, Sundays they're not working, and dates are not available. If you're having a red color blocks here, then you can click it and book an appointment. So that's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates in future. If you wanted any videos regarding the immigrations or study abroad, you can always approach us. We have already given the website link and the phone numbers in the description box. Contact us through mail or phone number. Thank you and have a great day. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Since last class we've been discussing USA passport renewal or getting an appointment. Last class we have discussed about the renewal part, and today we are going to continue with the same session, that for the renewal of minors and the applying for the first fresh adult passport and lost and stolen damaged passport and all, you can be in person, can apply. And for adult passport renewal you can send a mail and you can acquire the services. That I make a separate video. Today's process, that we have already gone to renewal passport informations. We'll continue with that because it is a quite lengthy video, and if I give all the information on one video you will tend to get confused. Okay, so last class session we have discussed the document part and the passport appointment. Today we are continue with the parent consent for minors, and the child is under 16 cannot apply for the passport by themselves as they are minor. So both the parents guardian must authorize the issuance of the child's passport. The best way to do this for both the parents and guardians to go with the child in person to apply for the passport, and applying for the social security number also is required. Please note that an applications for the social security number can be submitted after receiving the original consulate reports of birth abroad and passport. To obtain a social security number, they have already given a link here, so you can go ahead and click there. And photo showing page process also is mandatory. If your child's most recent photo was issued under the age of 5, you should present the photo to demonstrate age progressions of the child from the age of the previous passport to the present age. So, and you have to give the status. If you already applied the passport, then you have to check the status. In order to do that, you have to click it over here. Once I click on this, I'll be redirected to this page. So you have to read that before you may enter the personal information, get passport application status, check the you must renew the Department of State's Privacy and the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act and notification disclaimers, so that you have to accept that this link will be open up new page once you have read the notice and disclaimer close and without any click on box below. So read this and check here. I read the Privacy Policy and Computer Fraud and Abuse Act of notice and disclaimers. Submit. Once you submit, the embassy will give you the status part, that you have to enter the last name and the date of birth here, and the social security number here, and the code, whatever it is there, you have to enter and submit it. So you could see the status if you're already applied by getting an appointment, and fill the D11 applications, and then if you are looking for the status, that is the option. And the processing time is passport book renewal takes 3 to 4 weeks, and passport cards may takes more than 4 weeks to arrive. If you would like to passport book to be mailed either than the passport card, you will need to purchase 2 way bills, and it will be couriered through Blue Card Courier. If you need a new passport in less than these weeks or 3 weeks, you should discuss that during your passport appointment, as you may require the emergency passport. So let us get into DS11 now, step by step. Once I click on that link, I'll be redirected to this link, and I read this, and I have read the privacy policy and computer fraud and abuse actions notice. So I'll submit here. So here you have to select this option, submit, click the status and reason, submissions, passport appointment. I'll just go ahead. You can find out the following forms, and US passport, DS11, and renewal of applications. Yes, this is one I have to choose. Okay, again you have to read all these instructions carefully, then start filling the first name, last name, and date of birth. Every information you have to fill. I'm going to show you random information. Once you selected the session, you have to select the state, and then this is the one we have selected there. And start filling first name, last name, and date of birth, which state you are applying for, place of birth and country, state, and hair color and eye color you have to put, and occupations, and company status, the company's informations you have to put, and you have to give the step fill on the applications complete informations, like your complete address here with zip code, and your email address, and the phone number, and travel plan. If you are having plan to travel early, then you have to put your when you are traveling and when you are coming back, those informations that you have to fill here. And you have to give who should we contact, that is contact number you have to give, complete informations. And then once you're done with that, your most recent passport issuance dates and passport number, every information you have to fill. Then comes applicant parents spouse informations. If you wanted to add your parents name, you can give the parents first name, last name, and their date of birth, place of birth, and you can always give their middle name and last name, and their mother's date of birth, everything. And then, or you known by other name, if you have another name, you can fill that. Once you're done and submit, you will get a personal application regarding all the information that you have filled. And then passport products and fees, everything will be given here. So this is the online passport application. You can download and fill also, but I would suggest please fill it online, so that you will get a barcode. That is very, very important. This is the way of filling application. As I do not have a proper data to fill, I am showing that which is already filled applications. Once you've done that, you just take a printout of this barcode copy, and along with the other document you have to submit in the US Embassy. And the courier services fees would be of $750 Indian currency payable to Blue Dot Express Limited, and bank draft for the courier fees can be drawn from any nationalized and foreign bank and cooperative bank and operations in India. Once your document reach Blue Dot, you will be able to check the status of your delivery Blue Dot website using the way bill provided by Blue Dot. Please note that 750 courier fees provided for delivery of packaging up to 500 grams throughout India. US passport weight approximately 50 grams, and term and conditions for the services governed by the Blue Card Express Limited Airways. That's all for the day, friends. I hope this process and session was useful for you guys. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel, and share this video for those who are looking for such services. And if you're looking service through us, you can always approach us. I have given the website link and the contact number in the description box. You can always contact in this regards. If you have any doubts in filling the application also, you can contact our team. Our team will help you in this regard. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.